Now I will talk about the problem 5 in homework 1. The problem is they will do a blood test for 100 people, and for each person the test result is positive equals to 0.1, and there are two methods given us. The first is test each person one by one, then certainly they have to do 100 tests. The second method is divide the 100 people into 10 groups, and you will have 10 people in each group. Then mix the 10 people's blood into one sample and test the sample for each group. And if the result is negative, then it means that every people in this group is negative. But if the result is positive, so they have to test the 10 people's blood one by one. So the number of tests for this group will be 1 plus 10 equals to 11. Okay, so the question is, on the average, what is the number of the tests we need to do by the second method? So we can take one group into consideration, which means let x be the variable of the number of tests for one group. So we are considering about what is the expectation of this variable. And for the test for one group, it will only have two outcomes, which means this group is positive or this group is negative. So the expectation will be the probability that the group is negative. So in this case, we will only take one time of test, so multiply by 1. And the other case is the group result is positive. So in this case, we will take 11 times of tests. And then we will figure out what these two probabilities are. If we consider about the group result is negative, which means everyone in the group, their blood result is negative. So for each person, the probability to have negative result is 0.9. So for a group of 10 people, nobody in this group is positive. The probability will become 0.9 to the power of 10 and multiply by 1. And without the cases group result is negative, so the remain are all the cases that the group result will be positive. So the probability should be 1 minus 0.9 to the power of 10 and multiply by 11. And it will approximately equals to 7.513. Okay, thus the expectation for all the groups should be the expectation for one group multiplied by 10, which is 75.13. So we can see that from the result, the the second method is a better way to test the 100 people's blood result for a kind of disease, because on average the number of tests they should need to do by the second method is about 75, which is lower than that of the method 1, which is 100 tests.